Hi, my name's Simon Patterson. I'm the audit partner at Robert James Partnership. We are a firm of accountants and tax advisors based in Thames Litton in Surrey. I started training 20 years ago now in 1989 as a trainee auditor. When I started, I left school, went to college, did my A-levels, and unsure what to do, I ended up as an accountant. It's a route that many people take without having to go to university and get your degree. The training that you're given is usually starts in an audit department. The audit department is where individuals or form a team which go out to to companies' premises and ensure that their accounts are accurate and complete. And when they are, they get reported to and filed at Companies House and other authorities such as the Revenue, HM Customs and Excise, and other regulators. The audit process really begins with engaging a client, where you probably tender for some work and win a client. Client being usually a limited company. Once the audit is engaged, you then need to ensure that staff that are working on that audit have no conflicts of interest. So that if you, for example, you have a member of your staff working on there and their father may be a director of the company, then they are unable to be on that audit team, because you have to have an independent view on this. The next stage, once you've got your team of people together who are all independent, you then need to plan the audit to ensure that you're actually going to carry out in the most efficient way as possible and get as much information out of the company as you can. Once you've planned the audit and the audit is performed, an audit file is put together by the audit team. The audit team is made up of perhaps an audit junior and a senior person. When this audit file is put together, it will then be given to an audit manager, who then review the file and check for any mistakes, check for any comments that are made, and discuss this then with an audit partner.
Simon, what are the kinds of things that will be in the audit file?
The areas that are in the audit file are the details that are shown within a company's accounting records. So items such as the fixed assets they may have. So the fixed assets will consist of motor vehicles, some plant and machinery, some computer equipment. So what you're checking there is actually this plant and machinery or this computer equipment is actually physically available in the company, that they physically own it, and it's actually physically recorded at the correct price. You're then looking to show that what the balance of the bank account was at the particular year end of the company. You're also looking to ensure what the company owes at the year end, as well as what its profit and loss account is. Once you've audited these accounts, you can then in a position to be able to calculate what tax the company is to pay for its given year end. As well as having a good technical knowledge, an auditor will also have to be good at communications, both in their written communication and verbal communication, as you do come into contact with many people of all different statures within a business.